What's good, YouTube? This your boy, Sippy King, back with another video. On this video, I want to talk about guys will smash anybody these days. Again, I'm going to say this. Guys will smash anybody these days. And that's real, man. And it's crazy to me. Like, some guys don't care if the lady smells like catfish, tuna fish downstairs. They'll still hit. And for you to hit somebody that has a scent down there, I don't care if they fine, I don't care if they in between, I don't care if they ugly, I don't care. If they have a scent, if they have a scent down there and you still hit, you don't love yourself. Because listen, if it's that serious, do them a favor, go to the Family Dollar Store or Walmart and grab some douche. Straight up, grab some douche. If you want to hit them that bad, do them a favor and go get some douche. Sometimes when women douche, it still don't do no good. It's still funky downstairs. So, but my whole point of this video is, guys don't care who go for hole they hop into. They'll stick their banana tip in anything. You know what I mean? All cat ain't good cat, man. Just be real with you. All cat is not good cat, man. I don't care how good. I don't care if the woman like Beyonce. I don't care if she look good as gorilla. I don't care, man. If she have a scent down now, I will abort a mission. You know, that's just my personal opinion. See, I love myself and I have self-pride. I'm not gonna just be out here trying to lay down and stick my banana tip inside of anybody, man. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have confidence and pride. You gotta have some type of morals about yourself and standards. All women ain't good women, man. Like, the problem is some guys, they have to have a woman. They are desperate, man. Like, I don't understand what's up with the desperation. Because you came anywhere by yourself, you gonna leave here by yourself. So why is you sweating the situation? The fact that you single, don't have no woman. Ain't no wrong with being single sometime. You know what I'm saying? Ain't no wrong with falling back sometime. You can't hit everybody you see. Because if you do, you gonna wind up catching something. Something you can't get rid of. You know, and I'll be damn, I get any type of bumps, scratches, scars, and all type of ill on my banana tip. I don't want my banana tip with bumps and bruises on it. And for the record, usually when you hit somebody or hit multiple women with a scent, that scent rub off on you. Yeah, if you feel me, if you know what I'm talking about, smash that like and subscribe button, man. Smash that like and subscribe button, man. That's for real, man. You know, you can't hit everybody. I'm telling you, all cat ain't good cat, man. Can't do it. Can't be laying up with these random women out here just because you met them in the club and you seen them twerking with a sundress on, miniskirt on. Then all of a sudden you walk up to them, shoot your shot, buy up a couple drinks. All of a sudden they into you, you into them. Next thing you know, when the club is over with, you take them home with you. Yeah, that's what guys do, man. But I'll be a man to admit this, though. I was that guy one time. Back in my time when I was clubbing and I was chasing women. I had me a couple in that situation. And, you know, it was all fun. It's all fun when you're young, but, you know, when you know, man, as the years go on, you think about that shit and you be like, man, you know what I mean? You get to thinking about it, you be like, why I did that for? Because, like, other women look at that, like, real women really do look at that shit, and they be like, oh, if you were left with anybody, Why should I talk to you? Why should I deal with you if you out here laying up with multiple women, and then some of them are not clean women? See, real women look at that shit. That's why some men have a hard time settling down, finding a real woman. You know what I'm saying? That's why when you in that phase, you have to avoid those situations. You can't. I know sometimes it may make you feel some type of way. Sometimes you just have to fall back and just play your cards right, because when you play your cards right, you reap the benefits. You know what I'm saying? You reap the benefits, and meaning that you're going to eventually get the right woman. You feel what I'm saying? But if you out there laying up with Sally and Janice and Jackie, and that cat smelling like tuna fish and catfish and or oysters and onions, you in for a rude awakening. And then you gonna have that body sitting on you. Then everywhere you go, everybody gonna give you that funny look, and oh my goodness, boy, it's just like getting sprayed like a skunk, man. You know what I mean? It's like getting sprayed like a skunk, baby. You gotta boy ship and walk away. You know, me being me personally, if I walk inside a woman's house and I know if the house have a scent, I automatically know not to even try to hit. Because if the house smells a certain way, or the house smells a certain way, you automatically know, like, oh no, I'm aboard the ship. I'm getting the fuck out of here. You know what I mean? Real talk. All you have to do is just sit back and pay the fuck attention, man. Pay attention how that woman is clean or dirty. If the woman is dirty, most likely that thing is dirty. Sometimes in some cases, a woman can have the cleanest apartment, the cleanest house in the world, and that thing still smelling like catfish and tuna fish down there. You won't know till she come out them clothes, man. You won't know till she come out them clothes, man. So, best thing to do in that situation, I just wouldn't even try to hit off rip. I'll just give it a minute, just to see how consistently she stays clean. See, you have to think outside the box. Even though she might look good, she may be bad, and you tempted and you just want to smash, but you can't think with that downstairs. You can't be thinking with that banana tip. You have to think with your brain. This one up here. Think with this up here. Don't think with that down there, because thinking with that down there gonna get you in a whole lot of trouble. In some cases, you might end up with something you can't never get rid of for the rest of your life. You know what I mean? That shit ain't cool, buddy. And then, you know, word get around the neighborhood and people talk about you, then that's your reputation gone. You know what I mean? Meaning that you lost your credibility as a man amongst the women around the community. See, women look at shit like that, cause like we still have some good clean women out there, and the good clean sisters out there. They be sitting back paying attention to this shit, man. Like, see, that way I be falling back. I do not never ever put myself in that position, because that's why nobody can say shit about me, because I never put myself in that position. You know what I mean? Just to be out there, all the way out there like that. Nah. No. You can't say nothing about Sip King, baby. But the next man you can, because a lot of these guys, they just don't give a fuck. And then it be like guys have pride in that shit. They be bragging about that shit. Yeah, I don't hit that goal. I don't hit that goal. I don't did woo. Man, even if I was doing that shit like that, I wouldn't even tell nobody. Cause it's like when you out there and you going around from east side of town, and then you going from bro to bro, you know what I'm saying, y'all drinking, y'all smoking, and you just tell them who you hit. You tell them how you did it and how many women you did. You putting yourself in the fire furnace, man. And the reason why I say that, when you put yourself in the fire furnace by speaking too much and saying too much, ain't no guarantee that same man or the next homeboy you telling is your real nigga. Cause realize we have haters in every hood. Everywhere you go, there's a hater. every other homeboy is a hater, man. Every homeboy ain't your homeboy. Matter of fact, you don't have no homeboys. So the next guy, probably the same girl you hit, that next guy, he gonna want to hit too. So if you tell him that, he gonna go back and tell that girl what you said, and then he gonna run a little mouthpiece. Next thing you know, he hit. You know what I'm saying? That's how shit happen. That's how shit spread. Especially if he dirty too, just like she dirty. You know, it's like a whole cycle, man. It's like a whole cycle, man. That's why I don't understand why guys just be bragging and they just go out here and just hit anybody. All cat ain't good cat, baby boy. All cat ain't good cat, baby boy. But you so proud of that motherfucker shit. Knowing goddamn well that shit, them shits stank cat out there. Everywhere. Yeah. It's a lot of unclean women out there, but you have some clean women out there too. But my point of video is, don't just get up and try to hit anybody, everybody. You have guys out here that will smash anybody. You have guys out here that will smash a handicapped woman. You have guys out here that will smash an old, elderly woman, 65 years old. But nigga, you 25, 22 years old, you 30 years old. You smashing a 50-something-year-old woman. Then she dirty and nasty. But you don't care if you still sticking your banana tip in her. Like, niggas don't care, man. Niggas don't care, man. Niggas smash any fucking body, man. Like, what you gonna get out of there? Like, especially the person dirty. Because if the person is dirty, that means you dirty. If the person nasty, that means you nasty. I don't understand. I swear I don't get it, man. But anyway, smash that like and subscribe button on any video, and I'm out. Peace.